So now we can go ahead and use the command Jupyter Notebook. And this will open the Jupyter Navigator, where we can go ahead and create a new file. If you're a Flatiron student, please select your Learn NV. Okay, now that we're in, we can make a name for this file. We can call it Get Started or anything that you want. And then let's just import pandas as PD. Run that. And let's say x equals 12. Okay, cool. Save that. Now we're going to navigate back to your terminal. And we can say Control C to shut down the notebook server, Y for yes. Okay, now we can X out of that. Then what we'll want to do is go ahead and run ls again to show us all our files. Check it out. We now have a new file in our repo called getstarted.ipynb. However, this has not yet been added to our staging area or pushed to our remote repo. So our next step will be to run a git status. And we can see here that there are untracked files. We have our getstarted.ipynb and we have our ipynb checkpoints. Both of those will need to be added so that we can push them to our repo. So let's go ahead and say git add. And I want to add both of them. So an easy way to do that is just to say git add period, and that will add all of your untracked files to your staging area. Now, if we run a git status, we have two new changes here. Okay, we have our two new files, basically, the get started and the ipynb checkpoints file, which goes along with the notebook. So now our next step would be to add a commit message and then push this to our remote repo. So check out the next tutorial for how to do that. Thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Data Science Jellyfish.